How to recover Mobile Legends account. Hi guys, this is Alana from Create Login and Delete. Let's jump right into the video. So for this you want to open up a web browser and here you want to search for Mobile Legends support. Now tap on this very first website. Here you want to scroll down and find the How to Contact Us topic. Once you have found this, here you can find this email address. Now you simply want to copy this, open Gmail, now tap on Compose, then paste the email address that you have copied. For the subject, you want to type account recovery. Then for the email, you want to write your description. Just say that you want to recover your Mobile Legends account and then give them some details about your account. Once you have written all of the details, you can tap on the send button. Once you do that, Mobile Legends support team will contact you and help you recover your account within 24 to 48 hours. And that is it for this video. We hope you guys found it helpful. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.